What's up, everybody? Auto Chevy Silverado 2500 HD 6.0 geyser. A piece of junk. I'm doing a water pump. Okay, I took the fan out. Easy. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, I hope. Somebody's gotta hold with this with something. That's what I did. Plier. Hold the bolt here and turn it open way, left side, and it comes out easy. And I took the plastic fan cover shield on the floor. Look at my baby. I'm stuck. I can't go nowhere, so I gotta do myself. And the worst part of it, I have no 10 millimeter. We need a 10 millimeter bolt, 10 millimeter bolt, 10 millimeter bolt. I have a wrench, so I'm doing little by little with the wrench. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute what's happening. Thanks for watching.